Hi, good day viewers. This is the math therapist. So we have a very beautiful exponential equation here today on the board. And the question implies that 3 raised to the power x plus 2 plus 3 raised to the power x equals to what? 90. Now, before we engage this question, we have different approach of solving this question. And also, you have to understand the basic laws of indices. Because without you understanding one of the laws of indices, like the multiplication rule, you cannot solve this question. So let's solve it together. We start with what solution? We start with solution. So the question implies 3 raised to the power x plus 2 plus 3 raised to the power x equals to what? 90, right? Now, one of the laws of indices states that if we have something like a raised to the power m times a raised to the power n, now, since we have the same base, you get two same base, we are going to pick one of it, then we add their exponent, which is the powers. So this is going to be a raised to the power m plus n. So now this guy here, 3 raised to the power x plus 2, we're going to transform this guy in this form. And that can be written as what? 3 raised to the power x times 3 raised to the power what? 2 plus this 3 raised to the power x equals to what? 90. I think logically looking at this, we have arrived at an answer already, and I believe that the answer will be 2. Let's check it out. So I have two ways of solving this. Let me use the first method. You can use the second method if you know. So how many? Okay, let me not use the factorization method. Let me just give a command. Let 3 raised to the power x equals to what? P. Let's just use P. This simply means any place we see 3 raised to the power x, we substitute it with what? P. So this is going to be, this place is going to be P times 3 squared plus P equals to what? 90. Of course, you know 3 squared is what? 9. So this is going to be 9 times P will give us what? 9P plus P equals to what? 90. And of course, you know that P here has a coefficient of 1, right? So if you add these together, that's 9P plus P is going to give us what? 10P. So we have here 10P equals to what? 90. And we are looking for the value of P, not 10. You get? So we divide both sides by what? The coefficient of P, which is 10. This will cancel this. And P, let me use this side. P now is equals to 10 divided itself, 1, 10 goes into this place 9 times. So P now is what? 9. We are not done. That's not the answer. That's just the value of P. What is the value of X? So recall that, I think this is the symbol for recall. Recall that we said 3 raised to the power X equals to what? P. Now, what is P? P is what? 9. Let's substitute it back. So this is going to be 3 raised to the power X. Let me write it well, sorry. 3 raised to the power X equals to what? 9. So let's express this 9 in an index form. You get? So this is going to be 3 raised to the power X equals to what? 3 squared. Of course, you know that when we have two same base, we equate their exponent. So this now is going to be X equals to what? 2. And 2 is the correct answer. Thank you very much. Do well to follow us on all social media platforms, Math Therapist, written boldly here. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.